Hello everyone, this video is from Priti Academy
International School for
Standard 7th Subject Max. We have started with first chapter. In last video we have learned
multiplication of integers. We have
studied the rules for multiplying
two integers.
In this video we are going to learn
about properties of multiplication of integers. We are going to learn properties of
multiplication of integers. First property is closure property. First property is
closure property. If a and b are two integers, a और b बेटा कोई भी दो integers हैं, कोई भी वैल्यू हो सकती है, then a into b is also an integer. बेटा उनका जब भी हम लोग प्रोडक्ट करेंगे, मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे, तो जो आंसर आएगा वो भी क्या होगा, एक इंटीजर होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 4 into 6, the value of a is 4 and the value of b is 6. 4 is also an integer, 6 is also an integer. 6 4s are or 4 6s are is 24 and 24 is also an integer. So here is a closure property that if a and b are two integers, then a into b is also an integer. Second, commutative property. If
a and b
are two integers, then a into b is equals to b into a. जैसे कि मैंने आपको फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी में ही बोल दिया कि हमने a और b की, वी हैव टेकन द वैल्यूज़ 4 and 6. a का वैल्यू 4, b का वैल्यू 6. तो आप 4 into 6 कीजिए, योर आंसर विल बी 24, और 6 into 4 the answer is same, that is 24. So for multiplication of integers, commutative property is valid.
Okay. Third property is
associative property. Third property is associative property. If a, b and c
are integers, then a into
bracket b into c
is equals to
bracket a into b into c.
Beta, in left hand side, for solving this,
first we have to multiply b into c.
C,
then we have to multiply with a. Okay?
And for right hand side,
first we have to multiply a into b,
whatever the answer comes,
then we have to multiply with c. दोनों का आंसर for both the equations,
the answer will be
equal. For both
the equations,
the answer will be equal. So we say
that in multiplication of integer,
associative property is also valid. It follows the associative property. Okay.
Next is beta, existence of multiplicative identity. Existence of multiplicative identity is if a is an any integer, a कोई भी integer हो, कोई भी value हो सकती है, then a into 1 or 1 into a, your answer will be a only. आप a into 1 कीजिए या 1 into a कीजिए, आपका आंसर सेम a ही आएगा. एग्जाम्पल, सपोज मैंने a का वैल्यू 5 लिया, वी हैव टेकन द वैल्यू ऑफ a इज़ 5, तो 5 into 1 कीजिए या 1 into 5, द आंसर इज़ 5. ओके. नेक्स्ट, फिफ्थ प्रॉपर्टी. Property of 0. Property of 0. If a is any integer, a आपका कोई भी integer हो सकता है, then a into 0 और 0 into a is equals to 0. For example, अगर फिर से मैं यहाँ पे a की वैल्यू 5 ही लेता हूँ, तो 5 into 0 करें या 0 into 5 करें, आपका आंसर 0 ही होगा. Any integer multiplied by 0, the answer is 0. Any integer multiplied by 0, the answer is 0 always. Okay. Last property of multiplication of integer is distributive property. A into bracket b plus c ए इंटू बी प्लस सी। तो बेटा ये ए बी के साथ भी मल्टीप्लाई करेगा और ये ए सी के साथ भी मल्टीप्लाई करेगा, तो विच इज इक्वल्स टू ए इंटू बी प्लस ए इंटू सी। दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज नोन एज distributive property. I repeat once again, the distributive property is a into bracket b plus c, which is equals to bracket a into b first bracket plus second bracket will be a into c. So distributive property is valid in multiplication of two integers. Thank you very much.